with both hands. Press 风池 gallbladder 20 and 风府 do 16 from the waist. Rub governing vessel and bladder meridian with both hands 3 times. Alternately rub governing vessel and bladder meridian with both hands 3 times. Alternately push from 大椎 do 14 to governing vessel and bladder meridian and lift from sides of the waist to the armpit in left-right order 3 times. Push behind the neck to 大阪筋 with kneeling fists 5 to 8 times. Push behind the neck to the waist with kneeling fists 3 to 5 times. Stroke 大阪筋 with 虎口 pointing upwards with both hands 5 to 8 times. Do the same on the other side. Use thumb to stroke from scapula to the shoulder with fingers spread 5 to 8 times. Push scapula slot with both hands alternately from the entire shoulder with 虎口 pointing upwards for 3 to 5 times. Then use both hands to push to sides of the waist upwards to the armpit and slide to the upper arms. Do the same on the other side. Wipe the back with towel and apply RF cream evenly. Shaping back with RF. RF stimulates collagen regeneration, lifts, and sculpts to prevent sagi and relaxation after metabolizing fat. Adjust energy parameters. Adjust energy to 4 mode to 8, the fixed mode. Starting from governing vessel to bladder meridian, move the device from neck to the 8th crevice area 3 to 5 times. Move the device in circles on 大椎 do 14 and the 8th crevice area 3 to 5 times respectively. From 大阪筋 to neck, move the device back and forth 3 to 5 times. Lift the device on scapular slots in left-right order 3 to 5 times. Move the device horizontally as if writing an 8th number 3 times. Move the probe upwards in annular motion to armpit in left-right order on both sides 3 times. Lift from sides of the waist upwards till armpit 3 to 5 times. Vacuum RF massage. Vacuum RF combines vacuum suction and RF stretching channels, expelling dampness, firming and shaping, and relieving fatigue. Adjust energy parameters. Adjust RF energy to 4, mode to B, the fixed mode. Adjust suction to 50%, suction time to 4, release time to 2. Move the device from 大椎 to 14 to caudal vertebra 3 times. Move the device from bladder meridian to caudal vertebra in left-right order 3 times. Place the device on 天宗 small intestine 11, the middle of scapula. Increase suction on one's own comfort level and stays 3 seconds, 3 times. Place the device on 肩颈 gallbladder 21, the middle of 大阪经. Increase suction on one's own comfort level and stay 3 seconds, 3 times. Treat 天宗 small intestine 11, 天井 gallbladder 21 on the other side. Adjust energy parameters for back shaping and detoxification. Adjust RF energy to 5, RF mode to A. Adjust suction to 50%, suction time to 4, release time to 0. Move the device from scapula slot to armpit 3 times. Move the device from neck to 大阪经 3 times. Push from 大椎 to 14 to 8 crevice area 3 times. Start from shoulder, push bladder meridian to 8 crevice area in left-right order 3 times. Lift from sides of the waist upwards till armpit 3 to 5 times. Do the same on the other side.